Guys, welcome back to my channel KP Style. So in today's video I am going to create this makeup look which is going to be really easy, and I'm only going to use very few products which almost every girl would be having. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. So a lot of people ends up blending their foundation or concealer patchy. So instead of using that, you can use a BB or a CC cream. So the one I'm using today is this Pond's BB cream, and my shade is 01, that is original. And also you do not need to use any kind of brushes to blend this out. You can just blend it out easily with the help of your hands as well. Okay, so once we are done blending the BB cream, everybody has one nude lipstick, and I am going to use this Swiss Beauty matte lipstick, and it's in the shade 322, that is hot nude. So we are going to use it as my blush. What you simply need to do is just take some lipstick on the back of your hand. Never apply the lipstick straight up to your cheeks, as it may look patchy or it may not blend nicely as well. Get some on your beauty blender and then apply it on your cheeks. So once we are done with the blush, we are going to set our whole face using any compact powder which you have. So the one I'm using is this Maybelline New York Super White Fresh Compact. If you have any blush, you can use that, and if not, you can use any kind of pink eyeshadow to apply it over your lipstick which you have applied on the cheek. So I am using this palette right here, and I am going to use this light pink shade to apply on my cheeks. So moving on to the brows, you can use any brow powder or brow pomade or any brow pencil, whatever you have to fill in your brows. But I think using a brow pencil is much more easier and convenient than using any other brow pomade or brow powder. So I'm using this Colors Queen Professional Eyebrow Pencil, and it's in the shade brown, and I'm going to use this to comb in my brows. And also it has this kind of spoolie which helps in combing your brows. So firstly I'm going to comb in my brows nicely, and then I'm going to fill in it. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to take this brown shade right here, and I'm going to apply it on my crease and all over on my lid. So I would be blending it on the lower lash line as well, and then I'm going to take a shimmery eyeshadow and pat it on the middle of my eyelids. Then next I will pop on some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Then curl off my lashes and simply apply a coat of mascara. Then I'm going to apply highlighter all over my face, basically my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, chin, my nose and my forehead, and my brow bone as well. Next I'm going to apply a brown lipstick, and we are done. So here is the final look.